Previous videos in this Performance with Project series have shown ways in which we can show critical tasks. But would you be interested to see a way in which you can show tasks that, while not critical, reach a threshold that you would consider near critical? Well, in this video, we'll show you how to set this up and also how you can clearly show this on your schedule. As we've mentioned in previous videos in this Performance with Project series, the best way to identify critical path tasks is by going to the Gantt chart format tab and then clicking on the checkbox there for critical tasks. And you'll notice as you go down your schedule, those tasks turn from blue to a light red color. Now, of course, tasks that are already completed are no longer classified as critical tasks because they've already been completed. But wouldn't it be good to know of tasks that aren't quite on the critical path, but are close to it, or in other words, near critical? Can we do that? Well, the first thing we need to understand is that critical path tasks by nature are tasks that have no slack, which means they cannot be delayed unless you are to delay the entire project. So how do we see the slack in tasks? Well, go to your View tab and then under Tables, click the drop-down menu there and then click Schedule. You'll notice here that our worksheet changes and we have total slack. So you can see under tasks that are critical, they have 0 days in total slack. But you'll also notice we have a number of tasks that have 1 to 3 days shown as total slack. So could we show these tasks as near critical tasks? Well, the good news is yes, we can. So how do we do this? Well, we go to our File menu and then at the bottom left-hand side of the screen there, click Options. And then under Options, let's click Advanced and then scroll to the bottom of this option and you'll notice here tasks are critical if slack is less than or equal to 0 days. So we can change that. As we mentioned before, let's change that to 3 days and we'll see what happens. Click OK. And all of a sudden, all of those tasks that have less than 3 days in the total slack are now classified as critical tasks. So that's quite useful, isn't it? But wouldn't it be good also if there was a way to distinguish critical tasks and near critical tasks? Because as you can see here, near critical tasks are washed or denoted in the same way as critical tasks. So how can we do this? So to distinguish real critical tasks as opposed to near critical tasks, we first go to our View tab and then we go to the Filter drop-down menu and then we're going to create a new filter. We'll give this filter a name. So we might call this Real Critical. And then we need to satisfy a few conditions to do this. So first things first, under field name, we select critical and the test is equals and then we want to select yes because they are critical tasks. But also near critical tasks are also classified as critical due to the settings that we've just changed. But we need a couple more conditions. So we're going to go and just to save us a bit of bother, we're going to ensure that summary tasks are not included. So let's ensure that summary is selected. We want the equals and the value is no. We don't want summary tasks included in these conditions. Then finally, the important one under and, we want the slack to equal 0 because that is the true and real critical, whereas the near critical in this scenario is between 1 and 3 days slack. So we're going to want to select the total slack. Total slack equals and the condition is 0. Click apply and we have created our new filter. We want to go back to our filter and click no filter. That'll get all of our tasks back on the worksheet. Now to distinguish the near critical from the real critical, let's go to our highlight tab and highlight real critical. Now we have highlighted and light red bars which help us to distinguish real critical tasks. Now of course we can get in there and make adjustments to this by going to our Gantt chart format, then clicking text styles, and we can make adjustments to the highlight tasks and make it a closer color if we wish to our bar styles like so. So, a quick and easy way to enhance your project scheduling by not only showing critical but near critical to help you manage your risk much better. Thank you for listening to Performance with Project. We'd love to hear from you again. Please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.